friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you can move on the Play Store, okay, or you can move on the setting also. Firstly, the first step is the on the setting. From here you can move on to additional setting. So there is no option, can scroll down, there is no option the manage apps, okay. So let's search here on the, okay, manage apps. So friends, here is the manage apps, okay. If you want to manage the apps, you just click here on the manage apps, okay. When you click on the manage app, you can uninstall from here, okay. What you need to do is that to uninstall, you just press the apps like this. So click on the uninstall if you want to uninstall, okay. So from here you can uninstall the apps by just suppose I want to uninstall this LinkedIn, okay. LinkedIn, just click here and click on uninstall. Here is the uninstall option. Click on uninstall, click on OK, and this apps will be successfully uninstalled, okay. And this is the first method from this setting, okay. And the second method is the you can uninstall the apps from the Play Store also. Just move on the Play Store. It's loading, okay. And here you have to move on profile, okay. Here is the profile. Click on profile here. When you click on profile, here you have to click on manage apps and device. Then after that, here you have to click on the manage, okay. Here click on manage. From here you can uninstall the app. Suppose I want to uninstall this Spotify music, okay. Click on this Spotify music. After that, click on here the dustbin option. Here's the dustbin, okay. Click on dustbin and this apps will be successfully uninstalled, okay. I click on back button again. This is the second method, okay. And the third method I will show you is the let's move on this Spotify. Where is this Spotify? Here it is. Just press the apps, okay, that you want to uninstall and click on here the uninstall option. Click on Spotify and click on uninstall here and click on uninstall again, okay. And this apps will be removed successfully. You can uninstall the apps like this, okay. So friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.